So, hi dear Scorpio, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 days, 7 oceans and tarot messages for all the Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. From today till the 29th of December, you can take it as messages, guidance, warnings, or simple plain obstacles or challenges that you might face in this week. Now, if you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. The link is in the description box for the same. It has the power to change your life. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots, or if you have any queries, you can mail us. So let's start, Scorpio. 23rd, we have the adventure. So on the 23rd of December, you are going to feel like you should go on some kind of adventurous trip. For those of you who are on their spiritual path or spiritual journey, they will feel the urge to do something different, to do something risky here and adventurous and challenging in order to achieve their goal of spiritual growth. That is the deal. Okay, if you're not able to do that, you should do that. Do something differently. That's going to give you the courage and the strength to move forward and have a new experience and better experience in your life. 24th, we have the flowering. So the more you are going to in your feminine essence, the more you are going to connect with your creative side, the more you will be able to have good vibes, good energies, and a lot of prosperity and abundance in every area of your life. Actually, it's all about you connecting with your feminine and creative side. Growth and expansion is going to be there for you guys, right? Stay humble, stay grounded, stay in the feminine and creative energy. Even if you're a male or female, doesn't matter. Stay connecting with the feminine energy is not going to make you less of a man. It's going to make you a human. Okay, understand my point. 23, 4, 5. Fighting. On the 25th of December, you might end up fighting with people who are not going to share the same vision or goal that you have in your life. So instead of fighting and try to make your point, just try to understand their point of view as well, that everyone is different. You are also different. They are also different. Not everyone is bound to understand you and or your point of view. Just understand this point and don't waste your time and energy into fighting or creating issues that might create some kind of disaster in the coming future. 26th, the morality again. 25th and 26th of December is all about you standing on your moral ground and trying to make your point clear with others, like this is the truth, this is how it should be, this is the morality, this is humanity. So you might end up fighting with people who might not again share your own vision or your goals, and it's going to create a little bit of energy of conflict, right? So just try to stay calm, try to understand that everyone is different and everyone have a different kind of energy, even though energetically we all are connected, but we all have a different soul journey, we all have different conditioning. So don't waste your time on fighting with others. 23, 4, 5, 6. 7th, we have the guilt. See, if you are not going to be aware of what you are going to say or do in these 2-3 days, you are going to end up having some kind of guilt. So just try to stay calm, try to stay grounded, try to understand other person's point of view as well, and you can definitely avoid this feeling of guilt or regret if you are going to stay humble and grounded and in this energy of, okay, everyone is kind of different and everyone have a different point of view, I should respect that as well. Yeah, right. 28th, we have the sharing. So sharing is caring. Whatever in whatever way you can help others, please do that. Whatever you have to share in your life, please do that, because whatever you share, whatever you give to the universe give it back to you 1,000 times. So whether it's blessings, whether it's money, whether it's another kind of help, or whether it's negative shit, so share whatever you feel you can share with the world, and that is going to come back to you in a very beautiful way in the form of blessings and love. 29th, we have the guidance. So you are going to end up having some kind of guidance, like this guidance is coming towards you not as a guidance only. It could be like somebody telling you something and you clicking with their advice, and or you are reading something or you're watching a video or something like that, you're going to get some kind of guidance. Stay aware when you are like doing something, because some kind of guidance is on the way for you from the universe's side. Okay. Yeah, so let's move on to Sagittarius. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Namaste.